Hello everyone, it's me, Teacher GC. Now you are going to learn how to find the length of the hypotenuse and a leg for the right triangle shown. The Pythagorean theorem. In any right triangle, the sum of the squares of the length of the legs is equal to the square of the length of the hypotenuse. For the triangle shown below, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So the two legs are E and B, and C is the hypotenuse. Consider the following example. Find the length of the hypotenuse for the right triangle shown. So the triangle 15, the measurement of the leg is 15 and the other leg is 8, and C is the hypotenuse. So write the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Then substitute the value of a squared and the value of b squared. So 8 squared plus 15 squared is equal to c squared. The next is simplify. 8 squared is equal to 64 plus 15 squared is equal to 225 is equal to c squared. Next is add. So 64 plus 225 is equal to 289 is equal to c squared. So take the square root of both sides. The square root of 289 and the square root of c squared. So the square root of 289 is 17 and the square root of c squared is c. So the answer is c is equal to 17, or the length of the hypotenuse c is equal to 17. Finding a leg length. A farmer attaches a cable that is 30 feet long to the trunk of a tree to reduce movement of the tree during storm. The cable is placed 12 feet from the base of the tree, as shown in the diagram. Find the height of the tree trunk at the cable attachment to the nearest tenth of a foot. Okay. Write the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Next is substitute 12 for a and 30 for c. So 12 squared plus b squared is equal to 30 squared. So 12 squared is equal to 144 plus b squared is equal to 30 squared is equal to 900. The next is simplify. So subtract 144 from both sides. So subtract 144, the remaining is b squared, and 900 minus 144, the answer is 756. So b squared is equal to 756. Next is take the positive square root of both sides. So the square root of b squared is equal to the square root of 756. So the answer is b is equal to 27.5. Right, so the answer is the height of the tree trunk at the cable attachment is about 27.5 feet. Thank you for watching. And if this is the first time to watch this video, please subscribe